We're done with the A, so let's continue out for the F then. So F we have here, again, we're going to use out the two-step of factoring, or we call that one as the GCF, then difference of the square, okay? So looking out here, we have for the F is 18 W squared minus 15. Now, to get out here, so let's go factor out the GCF for that one. So we can find that one, that is, the GCF is 2. Or we can write out GCF is 2 then. Now, looking out for that one, we going to write out here as 2, 9W squared, and that one would be 50 then, okay? Now, looking for that one, we have the 9. Okay, so let's try to factor out the difference down here. So we have now as 2, and here we have the 3W squared minus down here for the 50 that's going to be about, okay, yeah, wait, so this one's not 50 now, it's a 25. So that's 50, yeah, okay. This one is 25 now. So that's going to be 25. Now moving on further for that one, we have 2. That's going to be 3W squared and 5 squared. Okay. Now further for that one, we can expand. That's going to be about 2. Oh no, 2. Yeah, 2, 3W. No, that's another. This is for that one. Okay. So okay, so minus 5. And the other would be 3W plus 5 then. Okay, so these are the final answers that we have for these equations. Okay, so